Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to do knockout text. If you don't know what knockout text is, it allows you to cut out or knock out letters from a banner to display the image behind it. Let's take a look at an example. Here we can see that the letters have been knocked out from a yellow box in order to display the photo behind it. If you want to do something like this, then let's look at the quick and easy steps how to do so. Let's go! Before you start this process, it's important to have the photos you want saved and a general idea of what you want your knockout text to look like. If you make a mistake, this process is very flexible and allows you to correct them later on. So let's start. First, go to File, then Place. From your File Explorer, place the photo that you want. Once you've gone ahead and placed your photo, your second step is to create a colored box. Go to your side menu and then select the rectangle tool. I'm going to create a simple banner. Now make sure to color this box. I'm choosing the color black. Now your third step is to create the text box. Make sure you place it over the colored box you just made. I am going to type my dog's name, though you can type whatever text you want. Now you do not need to color the text, and this will be important later. However, make sure that you have it roughly the size you want so that you can see it later on. Now, click out of your text box. Choose the selection tool and select the border of the text box. Do not click inside of it. Now, go to Object tab. In here near the middle, select Effects. Then choose the first option, Transparency. Go to Opacity and slide it all the way down to 0 and select OK. Now do not click out of the text box. Make sure you are still selecting the border. Then hold down Shift and click the colored box behind it. You will know that you have both selected when the border around both of them appears. Then go back to Objects. However, click Group near the top. This combines them as to one functioning element. Leave this selected. Then go back to Objects and Effects. Select Transparency once more. Instead of changing the opacity, go to the bottom option, which is called Knockout Group. Select and hit OK. Now your text has become knocked out. If you've made a mistake in this process and want to change the way your font looks like, it is very forgiven. Double-click on your text box and click inside. Then you can Control A to select all of your text and change the size or the font, and it will keep the effect going. This also works if you wanted to do it with the graphic box. Just double-click on it, then change its proportions, or even change the color. Here you can see how forgiving it is. You can also freely move the image, or change it and replace it, as the colored box and text are its own element, and the photo is not attached to it whatsoever. However, if you delete the colored box or the text, this will no longer work. Hope that helps.